I've had the chance to try both Lemlist and Saleshandy, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest, unbiased comparison to help you decide which one is the better choice for your cold email outreach in 2025. Let's start with Lemlist. It's known for its advanced personalization features, which can take your outreach to the next level. You can create highly personalized emails, including custom videos and images, and even landing pages. Lemlist also offers multi-channel campaigns, so you can reach out via email, LinkedIn, and even calls. Additionally, it has AI-powered sequences to optimize your outreach, and the platform offers email warm-up tools to improve your deliverability. The pricing starts at $39 per month, with a free plan available for basic outreach needs. On the other hand, Saleshandy is more affordable and is perfect if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use. It offers cold email automation, email warm-up, and center rotation features to optimize your deliverability. Saleshandy also integrates with CRMs and tools like Zapier for a seamless workflow. The platform starts at $36 per month, and it offers a 7-day free trial to test its features. In terms of personalization, Lemlist definitely takes the lead with its more advanced features. However, Saleshandy is much easier to use and more budget-friendly, making it a solid option for smaller businesses or those just starting with cold email outreach. So which one should you choose? If you need a platform with advanced features and personalization options, Lemlist is the better choice. But if you're on a budget and looking for something simple and effective, Saleshandy might be the better fit. That's all for today's comparison. If you found this video helpful, please give it a super thanks to support the channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this. See you next time.